welcome back to Done So Hobbies, and in today's video we are going to be doing another cat prods unboxing, not sponsored, paid for, or supported by any of these companies, but you guys know that my cats are catit fans. My cats, I got a bunch of catit prods that my cats love. I got cat water bowls and food bowls and cat toys and stuff like that. My cats love that kind of stuff. And I saw this on Chewy, and this is the Cat Play Treat Spinner. Look how cute that is. I saw this on the Cat Treat Spinner. Here is the box. And basically what it is it's a puzzle toy for your cats. You put little treats in here, and it's almost like a puzzle, and the only way the cat can get really into it is by, I guess, spinning it. I want to try this and see how it is. Plus it's a cat product, so I like catit. That's the name right there, catit. So, there's that. There's that. There's the box. Alright. So, it's like a little dish with a little rubbery plate on it. I mean, you can take the little rubbery plate off of it too. And I didn't see the spike between, so it sits on the floor, and kinda, you're not gonna be able to see it, but it kinda floats around and spins, so the cat can bat around, it can spin like a top. That's interesting. I didn't know that this had that. I see it now on the back there. I didn't know that this had that. I also kinda didn't know what this actually was. I just knew it was a treat maze toy for cats. As you can see, if you look in there, I'll have to take it a little bit off. You can see it's kind of like little puzzle things. There's little holes that your cat just tries to get out of it. I mean, it's not too difficult to put the rubber thing back on it. I kind of wish I didn't take it off though. But, I mean, just like with all cat prods, you could take it off, you could clean it. You know, a lot of cat prods are actually dishwasher safe. I wonder if this is dishwasher safe. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to assume this isn't dishwasher safe. If you guys have this and you know that's dishwasher safe, let me know in the comments below, because I'm actually interested in that. These are just little packs. It doesn't come with treats or anything like that. I was hoping that there would be like a little thing with directions saying that it would be dishwasher safe, but I can't find anything about it. I have my cat's favorite treats right here, just off camera. We got Temptations seafood medley flavor. That's what we got here. So let's go ahead and new bag too. Hooray for my kitties! Brand new bag of cat food and treats and brand new toy to play with. So I'm trying to do this kind of on camera. But we'll stick a couple. It's actually very close to their dinner time, so I don't want to give them too much. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to give this to my cat Katrina and see what she does, and I'm going to try to keep Snotnose out of it. My boy Tigger. I love my cat Tigger, but he's kind of a pain, because he's very food driven, whereas Katrina, she's not very food driven. She likes to play, but she doesn't like to play around the other cat so much. She'd rather go off and do her own thing and not pay attention to anything when her son's nearby, which is Tigger. But Tigger will definitely go nuts for this, so I'm gonna give it to Katrina first, and then we'll see Tigger go nuts for it, because Tigger will definitely go nuts for this. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out, shall we? Okay, my kitties, now Tigger. Mama Kitty goes first, okay? Mama Kitty goes first. I'm going to try to keep Tigger away from it. Mama Kitty. Let's try and see what she does about that. Mama Kitty. She doesn't know how to play too many games. She could get out of the top. Making videos, Nan. Yeah, Mama. There you go. There you go. I think she kind of figured it out. And this is so mean. I should have probably bought two. Because this one's sitting right here. Right next to his mousey. Wondering why he doesn't have treats in his mousey. Let's check that out. Temptation mousies. And yeah, it just kind of sits like that, and she has to somehow get the treats out. Actually, it's really kind of adorable. Oh my god, that is just so sad. Tigger is now trying to hit this, trying to get treats out of that when he knows there's nothing in there. I feel so bad for him. But he's going to try that one after Mama Kitty, so let's just see what Mama Kitty does for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna hand it to Tigger, because Tigger will definitely go nuts after it. So believe it or not, this cat is actually a little smarter than my other one. He'll figure out what to do right away. It just takes him a little bit to figure out what this thing is, and then he'll really nail it. You see, that's what I expected them to do, is just pounce on it like what he's doing. He'll do that a couple times, and then he'll finally figure out how to get him out. They're gonna be at this for a while, though. I can tell. Oh, looks like he's almost got one out. Mama Kitty was able to get it out, so I'm sure this guy, being a little smarter than me, will be able to too. Oh dear. Really? Usually you're the smarter one. I'm kind of surprised that this is giving him so much of a challenge. Because usually it's Mama... Oh, he got one. So I'm actually quite surprised that this gave Tigger a little bit of a challenge. And that's actually good. He needs kind of a little bit of a challenge. I gave him those mousies, and he gets those mousies like that. I'm actually a little surprised that Mama Kitty's not that much food driven, and doesn't really like toys like this very often. I'm very surprised that she had almost no problem with this, whereas the other one did. The other one did go pretty much nuts after this. Not as crazy as I thought he would, but I mean, it is new, and he just wanted a little treat out of it. So, definitely one that I like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Bye.